Now we will test the machine, we will see the operation. Now you decide how difficult or how easy it is to run the business. This is a milk pouch packing machine, an economical model. This is used for people who are running a small dairy business from a small place and who want to expand their work and are looking for such kind of pouches. Who are looking for such kind of pouches, they can opt for this machine. So you can pack around 250 ml, 500 ml, a liter or 100 ml in this machine. This machine works on pump system. Right now I am using water instead of milk since I don't want to waste milk. You can use milk cans instead of this bucket that I have placed. You can use buttermilk. So anything of that sort will be packed in this. Here I have set up the pipe. See, I have inserted the pipe. So this motor here inside will suck all the water. Currently there is water or the milk, and through the pipes it will get filled in the pouches and be sealed. So I will open it and I will show you. It will be packed in these pouches, filled in these pouches and packed like the packets I have shown you. Yes. Like these. So there are more advantages of having this machine, as this is a closed body milk pouch packing machine. We also have open body milk pouch packing machine. Anything like water, Pepsi, Kokum juice, buttermilk can be packed in that as well as in this. But if you or your family members who are more conscious of hygiene can go for that machine. This machine you can outsource the packing. Your workers are not always hygienic. So contactless this will be. You know, the milk or the buttermilk will be in the container, in the cans, and it will be sucked. You can see the milk getting packed, filled, packed, and you can get the final result. To begin with, let's plug in the connection and start the machine. Machine is started. Now we will put on the horizontal and vertical sealing. So this is vertical sealing, this is horizontal. This will do the vertical sealing and this will do the horizontal sealing. Okay. Now we put on the motors. Motors will start the sealing, and after that we start the clutch and brake. So once we start the clutch and brake, these rollers will start and it will keep pulling the pouches. Once we start in the injection, we put on the injection button on, it will start the feeding of the liquid. Right now water, but we can fill milk also in that. Once we start on the injection.
बंद करो दरवाजा. खोलो दरवाजा. पैकेट लाओ एक हाथ में. 250 ml.